Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quick and simple steps on how to enable ad pop-ups specifically for DM notifications on the X app. If you've been looking for a way to make sure you never miss important updates while still receiving those ad-driven pop-up alerts, you're in the right place. Let's dive straight into the process. First, grab your phone and open up your main settings app. This is where we're going to adjust everything. Once you're inside, scroll down and find the section labeled Apps. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, from the list of apps installed on your device, look for the X app and tap on it. This will open the full settings menu for X, where you can control permissions, data use, notifications, and more. Next, let's move into notifications. On this screen, you'll see a variety of options that allow you to decide how you'd like the app to alert you. Scrolling a little further, you'll find a section called Notification Categories. Tap into that. Inside notification categories, there are multiple options tied to different features within the app. What we want here is sending DM messages. This specifically controls how your device alerts you whenever a direct message comes in. Once you're in sending DM messages, look for the toggle labeled Show Ad Pop-up. By default, this may be switched off. To enable it, simply tap the toggle so that it's turned on. This will allow ad-supported pop-up notifications to appear on your screen whenever you get a new DM. And that's it. You've successfully enabled ad pop-ups for DM notifications on the X app. From now on, whenever someone sends you a message, you'll not only see the alert, but it may also include ad content in the pop-up window. This simple setting ensures you're getting the full notification experience without missing any updates. It only takes a minute to set up, but it makes a big difference in how you stay connected and engaged within the X app. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, make sure you try it out right away and enjoy smoother, more customized notifications.